If you want to connect cTrader to Exness, I've got you covered. There's a workaround to get it done, so follow me and let's do it. Okay, so just to put it out there, directly cTrader and Exness does not connect, right? You can use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, but not cTrader. But there is a workaround, so let me show you exactly how to do it. First of all, you're going to be using a trade copier as your workaround. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for Traders Connect. We're going to use Traders Connect as an example. It's actually fantastic. It works very well. You're going to create an account, of course. Then you need to go ahead and enter all of your login information. You need to provide all of your credentials for both your Exness as well as your cTrader account. And you are going to now have your Traders Connect account set up. You're going to then connect your Exness with your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 account as the source of your cTrader account as the target. Okay, I'm going to go over that again. So you're going to take your Exness MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 account as the source, and you're going to use your cTrader account as the target. The next thing will be quite simple. You need to sync your account. So the copier will actually automatically synchronize and copy trades from Exness to cTrader, and this will happen in real time. The last step over here, before you jump in, you need to run a test. So testing your setup, right? It involves making a trade in your Exness MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 account. And if it appears in cTrader, that means it's working. You can then adjust the copier settings for speed and filters. And if it's not working, run the process again. Remember also that you need to verify that your test trade appears correctly in both platforms before relying on the setup for actual trading. So make sure that you open a demo account so that you can run that and not lose any funds. I hope this was helpful.